If you want to change icon size on your Motorola smartphone, first of all, we can open the settings on your phone. Now in here, we should be able to find home and lock screen settings, and then we're gonna go to home settings. Once you open home settings, we should be able to find the icon size, and you can move left and right in here to make icons smaller or bigger. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can change the layout on the home screen. So if you go to personalize over here, then you can find the layout. And of course, if you use a smaller layout like 2x2, then icons will be quite huge, or maybe even 3x4. And if you use 5 by something, like 5x7 or 5x5, then of course icons will be smaller. So this also has an impact on the icon size. And last but not least, we can also go to display size and text. And if you change the size of display, this changes the size of everything. So as you can see, everything can be bigger or smaller. But this also includes icon sizes. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.